On today's menu, a delicious recipe you can make with just a few humble ingredients. Vegan kimchi fried rice. Lei Hou Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Now at the end of the episode, be sure to get your free ebook that I put together just for you that has 5 unintimidating, super delicious, easy plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to download that today. Kimchi fried rice is so easy to make, it literally is the lazy man's meal. 1 stick green onion, chopped. This is an incredible, fast, easy kimchi that you can make a bit of a non-traditional way, but I will leave a link in the description box below so you can see step by step exactly how to make this incredible kimchi. Cut your kimchi into smaller pieces. Strain out about a 1/4 cup of kimchi juice. Last thing you need is some leftover rice. I have roughly about 2 cups worth. Sauté pan, medium-high heat, couple tablespoons of olive oil, kimchi, sauté for a couple minutes, green onion, rice, kimchi juice, sauté for another few minutes. Drizzle of toasted sesame oil. Plate. Season with salt to taste. Sprinkle over some extra green onion. Half tablespoon white sesame seeds. You can now make this easy kimchi fried rice with absolute confidence. That was too easy, just incredible, and you have this amazing meal in literally minutes. Honestly, what's not to like? It's spicy, it's tangy, it's salty, and that incredible rice just absorbs all of that flavor from that delicious kimchi, and it even turns it this beautiful red color, which is just absolutely incredible. Be sure to check out and get your free ebook. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can get started on those 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes. And of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.